Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kayleigh at Just a Mum Winging It, and today is a new video. Yay! So today I have got a Miss Pap delivery. So guys, let's get the formalities done. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing and joining the Winging It fam. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. It's lovely to have you here. Thanks for joining me in another video. If you like these type of unboxings or want to see anything else, then leave me a comment down below, or if you just want to have a chat, like I say, leave a comment, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up as well, guys. So guys, let's jump on into the haul. Okay, Miss Pap, guys, you're going to have to excuse the dogs in the background. Hey boys, what are you doing? Yeah, just forget about them. So, I've never heard of Miss Pap before, and I was looking on boohoo.com, and I think sometimes when you look, do you notice that every time you go on Facebook, new things just keep popping up and up and up and up? Anyway, this sort of caught my eye. They had some nice pictures when they were advertising, so I jumped onto the site to have a look. Excuse me, do you mind sneezing in my videos? Thank you. So I jumped on and had a look, and they had a wicked sale on, and I mean 50% off. Then they had a coupon code for another 10% off, so it was quite a decent price. So I ordered a few bits. Let's open it up and have a look and see at what we've got. I think I ordered a couple of black cord sets. So first up is the ribbed tie front lounge set in grey, and I ordered a size 10 because I always find that these tend to shrink in the wash, and I like them to be a bit baggier and more comfortable anyway. So that's the belt. So we have, I will try it all on as well, guys, don't worry. So that's the top, and then obviously you pop the, let me put that on there, little like tie on, so you can pull it in, and it's got slits up the side, which I thought was really cute, and I really like this grey silver colour. And it also came with matching bottoms. Now I can see my ring light through these are see-through. Well, yeah, just for lounging around while we're in isolation, I thought that set was really cute. Quality of the fabric feels really nice quality as well. So yep, so that's the first one. And then we have, did I order two? Now I'm just looking at this thinking, oh god, it looks like the same fabric. Thinking, oh, did I order the same in two different colours? I think I ordered all cord sets. Oh no, this one, yeah, so this, oh, I love this. This again, I think is a size 10, small to medium. So you've got this cute little like crop top with these ruffled sleeves, which is just cute. I really like that. And then the trousers, again, see-through, but you can put, oh, these ones are cuffed at the bottom as well. So you can just pull them up really high, and then you've got the little top to go with it. I'm doing a great job of showing you, aren't I? I will try them on, guys, and stand in front of the mirror so you can see properly. But yeah, again, that fabric feels lovely. I think I spent about just shy of £50 altogether. And then this one is there's no paperwork in this, so this is the cardigan which I ordered. Let me check my order online and make sure it was just the 3 that I'd ordered. Right, okay, so yeah, so I paid for this cardigan in a size 10, I paid £18. The like camel coloured, £14.40, and the silver set was £15.75. So in total £48.15 with delivery for £1, which I didn't think was bad. So let's have a look at this. This is what I've been really excited for because it should be really quite long. Oh, it feels lovely already. Just a really, really long open front cardigan, no pockets, just to put on. You can wrap around you when you're feeling a bit chilly. Always looks good with a pair of joggers or a pair of leggings with a little vest top. Absolutely, yeah, love it. It feels really nice, and again, that's a size 10, and it's really, really long. So guys, what I will do is I will try these on now so you can have a look. Okay guys, so this is the cardigan. It's really long, it's lovely, it's nice and warm. To say it's a size 10, it's a bit tighter than what I thought it would be. I thought I would be able to wrap it around a little bit more, so it's literally going to be a cold wash one, but yeah, it comes right down to my ankles and it's nice and warm, so I do like it. It's just nice for that little bit of something to just throw over and still look cute. Yeah, I like it guys, I like it. Okay guys, so this is the next one. I am loving this. This is the grey or silver. It's got little split sleeves, which is dead cute. V-neck, and it's quite nice and loose, so you could have it off the shoulder if you wanted to make it more slouchy. Tie waist with the slits up the side, and the leggings are like really tight fit, so like black leggings would be. So these are really nice. I really like this. This is really cute, and this would look nice with the long cardi over as well if you needed to. But yeah, I like this guys. This is really cute. And like I say, I wouldn't mind just running out to the shop with this on, with some Converse, and yep, I like it. Let me know what you think guys, let me know what you think. Okay, this is the last one guys. So this is the camel colour with the ruffled sleeves and the little like on the neck. It's short crop top. That's how high the leggings come up to, and they're a bit baggy, but they're not too bad. So that's it like that. There's definitely room in there, but again, they're quite tight fit. I like it. It's nice, it's comfortable. I like that that comes up really high because it just feels comfortable, and that comes up high enough that that just comes over, and that's what I like guys. It's what I like. So yeah, cute. I like it. Look at the sleeves, how cute are they? With the little ruffles on, and I'm loving this like ribbed effect as well, which looks really nice. So yeah, that's it guys, that's the last one for this, and yeah. Right guys, thanks ever so much for watching. That's the end of this Miss Pap haul. Just a quick one. I know there's not much. I've got a few more bits I'm waiting for to come in. Obviously the postal service is a bit slower than usual, so they're taking a little bit longer to get here. So once they're here, then we will do another haul with the last couple of bits I've got coming in. I've also had to order some clothes from George for the boys, so I will show you what I've had to pick up for the kids. So thanks ever so much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe. If there's anything you'd like any more details on, leave me a comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. It would really help me out guys, as knowing what sort of content to create for you lot, what you like to see, what you don't like to see. Anyway, I hope you are all staying at home and staying safe. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Keep safe, and we will see you in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.